Well, good morning, dear followers. It's a long time. For almost 2 months, I didn't publish videos, but now I want to explain why. So when I was down there for the Italian trip, my computer was broken. Very simple. The hard disk. I bring the computer in this shop. They keep it for 1 month. I think it's a long time, but also the connection was very bad down there near the mountains. You have what you have, and so it was difficult. I published something with the phone, but it's not the same. The camera is much better. I did something about the car. I removed the rust, changed the oil, filters, smoke pipe. I already published a video about that, and so probably some of you saw it yesterday. And my friend had some problems with the wife. She got sick. She was in the hospital, and I lost my theater teacher. Actually, that was like a father to me. Was like a father to me. Was a good friend, and was my teacher. And I had this call from my friend and told me, look, the teacher is sick and is gonna die. Well, it's not what you expect 4 o'clock in the morning. Probably also my friend was up that night. I was up, and I had this information, and in the morning I called my teacher and I say, hey, what happened? My friend told me this and this. Is that correct? Yeah. Is that correct? So don't worry, because I had a very good life. I had an amazing life. I played in the most important theaters in the world. I have a beautiful wife. I had a very nice career and success and everything. So I don't complain. I'm old. I had a good life. So it's my time. Don't worry. I have to go. This is the time. I was just a little bit surprised how him was positive about this, because you have to go. You cannot see the sky anymore. You cannot hearing the music. You cannot play anymore. You cannot eating anymore. Well, we don't know when we pass away what happened, but the last 1 month and a half down there was not so very, very good for me, and yeah, I had this video calling with my teacher, because what I can do, kilometers and kilometers far away. So I was very sad. For more than 1 month, rain a lot, foggy, snowing. So also recording videos on the mountains was not the best way. When raining, you cannot see nothing almost. Well, this is why for 1 month and a half, or probably just a little bit more, I didn't publish videos. Not because I'm lazy or I don't want to do it, but technical problems and this situation about my teacher put me in a sleepy mode. I was in standby. I'm very sad about it because he was a good man. I never saw that man be jealous or greedy or stuff like that. He was a loyal man. I just talking with other actors and they told me the same. Yeah, I know your teacher from 50 years and nobody complained about him because was a loyal man. Well, this is the life. This is the life. I know it, you know it, everybody know it. One day you have to go. Just I'm really sad because he's not here anymore. Yeah, I remember him, but it's not the same, you know, talking in person. And I had a lot of help from him when I started acting, and I was around 22, 23 years old. From the beginning, this man told me, look, when I see something, I see something, and you're something. So you have to study a lot. Probably you have to crying a lot. And one day maybe you're laughing a lot. And remember, the theater is not for everybody. Well, I still thinking that words because was honest with me, so I think what him say to me is true. Well, now you know why for a couple of months I didn't publish videos. Now I enjoy the snow, this beautiful weather. Look around, very nice. And that's it. So stay tuned, stay put, and remember, enjoy your life anytime. See you.